Very easy recipe. Your kids will love it. Your husband will love it. Your wife will love it. Your girlfriend will love it. Everybody will love it, yeah? Try this at home and text me later. Hello, brothers, man. I'm here for local food, and as you can see, EKUEGBEEMIN, man. I'm sharing the kind of shady. I call it style BRB. So basically, this is corn porridge, and that was done a different way. The skin is being peeled off, and we're using yellow corn to do this food. I have a guest up, but also I'm to say Didi. Anyway, this is the last supper. Yeah, I call it. Hello brothers, sisters, you're Kodo. So I'm on a mission to discover our indigenous African local food to us Africans and to the world. And I find myself in Ekon in the central region of Ghana. And today's recipe is some Asian delicacy that we all have been enjoying. This is 2-in-1 video, and the porridge is called EKUEGBEEMIN, which is corn flour porridge. Another one is corn rice water. A blue rice water. Man, or Kodo. So let me know in the comment section what you call this in local language, and even if you have the same recipe in your country. It's an easy recipe, and in a blink of an eye, you can prepare this recipe for your family, and trust me, everyone will enjoy it. Share, tell a friend, tell a brother, and let's showcase and promote our local food to ourselves as African. Or Kodo. So to start your EKUEGBEEMIN, you need the corn flour, and the skin of the corn is being peeled off, and the corn is not soaked. Okay, so dry corn, you take off the skin, then you grind it to get this flour. And the normal corn porridge, you take the skin off, you soak the corn overnight or 3 hours before you start the preparation. So very simple, easy, and man, you just need hot water and it goes inside like that. And it goes inside the water. So basically, it's you okay enough for EKUEGBEEMIN now?
Blue rice water.
Okay, so blue rice water. Okay. Wow. And so you'll be I did the issue 9.
Milk.
No milk. So they obviously do family hours. On chair. But I mean say bono go. That means having. Okay. So this is the corn porridge, and you see the boiling process. Okay. Man, interesting and amazing. So very simple and easy food. Yeah. So water has been added, and we cover it again for it to boil. So as I said, this is corn, so we have to make it sure that it's very soft. So it's been on for like almost getting to 1 hour. Okay, this is corn porridge. So you have to soak it overnight if you want to have proper or less boiling. You have to soak it overnight. But this we only soaked it for 2 hours, and it's still hard. Wow, amazing. Behind me, you're about to prepare EKUEGBEEMIN, okay, and we'll be using the same pot that was used to prepare the pewa. That's why you see the yellowish around it, and that is the same corn flour that we'll be using for the EKUEGBEEMIN. So basically, the corn is yellow because we use yellow corn, and that the skin is being peeled off. Okay, that's what you need to prepare EKUEGBEEMIN and pewa. Okay, so it's like the back-to-back kind of stuff, yeah. So if you see the pot being dirty, don't worry, we'll just use it for to prepare one delicious meal that you love it. So since I'm here for local food, I'm bringing you authentic local food from the fancy side, and this is a typical fancy food, and So the EKUEGBEEMIN water is boiling. As I said, we just use this pot to prepare a dish pewa. Okay, so it also goes in like that. Then you stir. So you stir house, adding in, and goes in like that, bit by bit. Okay, bit by bit. Then you stir. So as you can see, there's still water in it. Okay, you don't need to make it hard and solid. Okay, comes in again, bit by bit. So we have to fan it so that the smoke can go off, so that we get proper fire. The smoke is too much. So more or less, it's the same steps like making the pewa, but pewa is more solid. It's not than this. The liquid is, the water is much. And I am fetching something more. Okay, so you can add salt to it, very little. Okay, you can choose not to add. So the EKUEGBEEMIN is also now ready. Very easy and simple steps process as well. Easy. Okay, so if you think it's very heavy and thick, you can add in a bit of water. Consistency will depend on how you want it. Okay, if it's more thick or less. And over here too is the gravel, so corn porridge. Adding the sugar to the EKUEGBEEMIN. Okay, so basically it's a corn flour food like porridge. But it's called EKUEGBEEMIN. Locally known as EKUEGBEEMIN. Sugar is being added. And then when it's ready and you have your portion inside your bowl or plate, then you add in your milk, then biscuits and bread, anything you want to serve with. So it's almost ready, and while stirring, you have to mash some. Okay, mash some while stirring it, so that will make it more dense and heavy. And it's almost ready. So they added sugar to the gravel, to the corn porridge. So sugar has been added. You can also decide when you fetch some, then you add the sugar inside the bowl. So while it's done, you can add in your milk. Okay, if you don't want milk, you can just eat it like that. So very little, depending on how you want it. You mix it together. The lady said this is called gravels in secondary school. Hello brothers, man. I'm here for local food, and as you can see, EKUEGBEEMIN, man. I'm sharing a kind of shady. I call it style BRB. So basically, this is corn porridge, and that was done a different way. The skin is being peeled off, and we're using yellow corn to do this food. Amazing. So now we're about to add some milk to it. Sugar has been added, salt was added. We're about to add milk to it to have the cheers. Wow. So very simple and easy recipe that, man, you can do it any time of the day, anywhere, anytime, and man, very delicious, Ankasa. So delicious. Corn porridge, and man, this is how it looks like. Milk is being added, and okoro. It's very hot, so you have to be careful when eating this kind of food. Delicious. This is very delicious. The only thing is that we didn't soak it overnight, so it took my time for it to get soft. Okay, but if you soak it overnight, the next 30 minutes or 40 minutes, it should be ready. Very easy recipe. Your kids will love it. Your husband will love it. Your wife will love it. Your girlfriend will love it. Everybody will love it, yeah? Try this at home and text me later. Nice recipe from Ghana, Cape Coast, fancy. And man, it is what it is. So if this is the first time watching, kindly subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. I hope you like this video. Share. Let's keep our local food alive, and man, this is the main mission and objective. So with your help by sharing the video, we can make keep our local food alive. Okay, let's meet again for Shizima Nizo cooking with Sindaco. Let's do this again. I'm out, run, man.
The mess rolls. Some me this the kakoma madofo and I'm a bushman for our Ghana. They defer tap sing.
This is tap and the best so far.
I don't see some yes, and this coffee na a tap.
Tap send will be out around down the up now. Carrot master for African countries to be.
And the reason I changed over to tap then.
If you're there, you don't have the app on your phone, I encourage you to download it right now. It's very secured. TapTap is very secured.
What I like about TapTap is that transfer is immediate. Right? You get to resolve secured experience. I've never had any issue.
Tap sing and no one abotre for you na ya jiatum. Tap sing. Papa no.